Alright guys, good morning to day 2 of this beautiful tropics in Pulo Cinta. So last night was pretty wild. I was woken up around 1 a.m. by this massive storm. I wasn't sure what to do. I've never stayed in a place like this. I wasn't sure if it was gonna collapse, what was gonna happen. It was so loud, you could just hear the water crashing, you could hear the waves. I wasn't sure if the rain was gonna seep through either, but we're safe, I'm alive. It's kind of therapeutic, but you know, when you're out in the middle of the ocean, you kind of don't know what's gonna happen, but it was a pretty cool experience. So we started this morning, a great start, got a little workout in, got a good stretch in, jumped in the water. The biodiversity around here is amazing. We saw so many different types of fish this morning. Seahorses, jumping fish. I don't even know the names of some of these fish. Supposedly there's baby sharks by one of the villas, so we're gonna have to check that out after we island hop. That's what we're gonna do today. So today we're island hopping with Pulo Cinta. We're gonna go to 3 different islands. The first 2 we're gonna be able to snorkel, and the last island we should be able to buy shrimp, buy fish, buy tons of different seafood, and I'm sure it's amazingly fresh out here. So we're gonna head to the management office, jump on one of our boats, and island hop. Are you ready for this morning?
Oh yeah, it'll be good.
It'll be a good little morning.
Let's get a swim in.
Get another swim in. Yeah. And yeah, enjoy our second day in Pulo Cinta. So our boat's right over there. Sean's over there. And we are about to embark on our adventure.
So today we're gonna do a little snorkeling, folks. We're gonna see how much fish is in the water.
So you can definitely see a lot of fish. There's also a lot of corals down here. It's funny, we actually saw a coral snake just now, and they're super poisonous, so you gotta be careful of those ones. Oops, that's some salt water.
Jumped in, and it went right by my face. This close.
All right, so the first island we're at was Ball Island. Now we're at Boat Island. So that was a lot of fun. We are about to head to Gull Island to take some photos. There wasn't as many fish here, but there are some more exotic ones. And yeah, the drone shots were pretty awesome. We're about to head to Gull Island. And this is one of my favorite things about doing a private tour. You can kind of change the tour up however you want. So after the first 2 islands we went to, we saw a sandbar in the middle of the ocean right over here. And I asked our driver, can we stop at the sandbar? There's a sandbar all around here, just so random. This is amazing. What is that? Oh my gosh. That's cool. This amazing sandbar in the middle of nowhere. Woo! I absolutely love this. Wow. And there's fishermen all over surrounding us. Look at that beautiful boy right there. Thank you so much. This is a lot of fun. Thank you.
Thank you. Oh,
you gotta
show. Quit being crabby.
You gotta talk sweet love to it.
Sweet love.
Hey baby, come on out of your shell. Look. Oh, you look. Oh, see? You're looking so beautiful today. Oh yeah, come on out. Oh yeah, it keeps creeping. Alright, that was a lot of fun. We got to play around on the sandbar. Got some awesome drone shots and awesome cinematics. Oh, just such an awesome day today. I think we're gonna head back to Pulo Cinta, get some lunch, and just chill out. Woo! Make it back! How's your day, buddy?
Amazing.
Amazing?
coral snakes and pufferfish.
Oh yeah, you almost got hit by one of those coral snakes, which are highly venomous.
Highly venomous, right by my face.
Oh my god. Gotta be careful.
Right when we jumped in.
This is great, thank you so much. It was a lot of fun. What a perfect day it was today. We were supposed to go to a third island which had a lot of, which I think had fishermen, which had some seafood which we could purchase. But we ended up stopping at the sandbar. It was an awesome time, absolutely zero complaints. We're gonna go get some food in the middle area and enjoy the rest of the day at Pulo Cinta. I mean, what's not to enjoy here? Not too bad here. Fish, beef, rice, the perfect bowl. Oh, that was a good little lunch. The rain is here. We're gonna take cover for now. I think I might get a couple edits in, or at least get a workout. And yeah, yeah, it's drizzling right now. I gotta cover you up. All right, good morning guys, and what a morning it is. This is our last day here, but this is the best weather we've had the last couple of days. Check it out real quick. It has not been this sunny at all since we got here. The weather is absolutely beautiful. The water is crystally, sparkly, whatever you want to say. The way the sun reflects off the water. Oh my goodness, look at this. So we're not gonna waste any time. It's like about 9 o'clock in the morning right now, and we're gonna jump right into the water because Villa number 5 has baby sharks supposedly. So let me switch to the GoPro and let's go find some baby sharks. I just hit a jellyfish. Oh my god, I touched it and it's... All right, let's go find the baby sharks. There's jellyfish everywhere. We're surrounded. I like hit a jellyfish right away. Oh yeah, there's jellyfish all over the place.
They're everywhere.
Holy god. I can't believe we just swam through that. I don't know if the GoPro can see it, but there's one right there, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I like punched him when I was swinging. I felt it like right over here when I went like this, and I just backed off so quick. I feel so lucky right now. When all else fails, let's walk over to Villa 5. No sharks.
You would see them moving around.
Okay. I guess we got jellyfish instead.
Jellies.
We ended up grabbing some lunch and enjoyed our final day at Pulo Cinta in our water villa. I've never experienced a place like this, and it was quite magical. From the marine life to the smiles all around the island, they really make you feel welcomed here. We ended up relaxing and had a dance party during our remaining hours. Memories were made and will always be remembered at Pulo Cinta. We'll be back one day. Alright guys, we are at the airport right now. We are heading back to Bali currently. It's a flight to Makassar, and then we have a 4-hour layover, then we have another 1.5-hour flight out to Bali. It was an amazing 3 nights, 4 days at Pulo Cinta. I would highly recommend, if you haven't been to the Maldives, and maybe you don't want to spend that much, go out to Indonesia, go to Gorontalo, and then go out to Pulo Cinta. There's even a photo of it right over there in the airport. Right over there. Besides that, it was filled with island hopping, so much coral, so much fish, and it was just such a special place to hang out at and just relax for 3 nights, 4 days with Sean. But yeah, take your loved ones, take your friends, probably your loved ones, and I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog series that I had for Pulo Cinta. If you guys like this vlog or enjoyed this vlog series, there's gonna be a lot more vlogs coming out. Hit that like button. If you guys are new to the channel, welcome to the channel. Make sure you subscribe. Comment down below if you have any specific questions on Pulo Cinta or anywhere in Bali, anywhere in Indonesia, or traveling in general. And if you haven't yet, hit that notification bell so you guys are notified for the next vlogs coming out. But yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you on the flip side.